Morning and welcome, Where fam, what was that? Welcome, Where fam, to a new weekend in my life. One that I am just slightly nervous about because your girl is gonna take a COVID test. I am very, 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 very scared to take this test.
Why?
Just like I read about that American woman who died because in her COVID test, whatever they put in did
They
something
killed
to the nerve in the brain and it started bleeding and she died because of a COVID test. I will link that article in the info box for you. But that is playing on my mind. Like
What's
I'm
the name
scared.
of
You've taken a COVID test before.
I have.
So he's taken a COVID test before. He took it just before you went for that Nasik shoot around your first vlog.
Yeah.
By the way, which reminds me, when is your second vlog happening? When are you gonna pick up the phone, camera, something and start vlogging? Guys, please थोड़ा सा जाके Instagram पर spam करो. Leave comments, leave DMs. He's not listening to me.
Don't spam, it's not good.
You need to listen to your wifey. Wait, I should also tell you why I'm taking the COVID test because Alhamdulillah I have no symptoms. I only have a slight cold, but this is that viral wali, the normal wali sardi jo hoti hai around this time of the year. At least that's what I hope and think. The reason I'm taking this COVID test is because I'm going to do a really big shoot in the coming week. This is a project that I'm dying to talk about that happened out of nowhere. I will tell you more about it when I can talk about it. But because I have to be on that shoot, every single person on set has to be tested for COVID, which is a really great safety precaution. And that's why I have to take the COVID test. I'm keeping my fingers crossed. Sometimes people are asymptomatic. Sometimes this cold might be enough. I'm just really nervous, basically. Hey, in other news, I'm back on intermittent fasting. My break and on and off with intermittent fasting went on for quite a while, and I'm finally back on IF. I have a dedicated video to IF which I can link in for you guys, so check that out if you don't know much about intermittent fasting and if you're curious about it. But the really horrible part is that I haven't worked out in 2 weeks. That's because a lot has been happening on the personal front, some of which you might already know about. Not gonna get into it in today's video, but I haven't worked out in 2 weeks, so I'm really hoping that this Monday will be like the day where I get back to workout, I get back to feeling better and fitter physically, because I have been feeling off for the past 2 weeks since I stopped working out. Okay, so the person is on their way from the testing clinic. They're sending someone from Suburban Diagnostics. This is being arranged for by the production house that I'm shooting with later this week. I'm nervous, I'm not gonna lie. I don't even know why I'm nervous. That's the funny thing. But I'm nervous. Just the idea of getting a COVID test going up my nose and down my... God, I'm nervous. Okay, so we just gave all of our legal info, which obviously I couldn't film.
What that you will feel is when they put the Q-tip up your nose.
Which is what I'm scared about. So thanks for that. इसमें पेन नहीं होता है ना?
What's going on with you?
I'm scared.
Why are you
I
scared?
don't want to get a corona test.
Why?
He's ready for you. Sit. Done. What? It can't be that quick.
Now comes the
Dirty nose one.
dirty nose.
Ah. Are you okay?
Yeah?
You feeling good? Like you should. Oh God. देखो आपका नेगेटिव होगा तो मेरा भी नेगेटिव होगा. आपका पॉजिटिव होगा तो मेरा भी पॉजिटिव.
बिग बास्केट का ऑफर चल रहा है.
मैम 4 जनों में 2 जन पॉजिटिव 2 जन नेगेटिव.
अरे ऐसे हस्बैंड है मेरे साथ में घर में और किसी को तो हम मिल नहीं.
डोंट वरी मैम, कुछ
नहीं होगा.
अब जबान बाहर निकालिए मैम प्लीज. कुछ नहीं होगा, डोंट वरी मैम. थोड़ी बाहर निकालिए.
Put your head back.
Nose मैम, डोंट वरी मैम.
Put your head back.
डोंट वरी, कुछ नहीं होगा.
Just tickle you a little bit.
मैम वेट.
हो गया बस. You're laughing and crying. That's it, it's done. So how was your experience? First ever coronavirus test.
Hopefully last also. Hopefully negative आएगा inshallah. Felt like that.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. I felt like somebody else was digging my nose for me. Oh God. Bye, stop.
So how was it? Tell me. What was your experience like?
I was very scared.
Now?
I'm glad it's over. Mala chai paije after this. Paro khala.
Really? You want
I've
chai?
not had chai in 3 days. आधा कप थोड़ा सा पण मला चाय पाहिजे today. I earned myself half a cup of chai.
Because you took a COVID test.
Yeah.
He was asking you to stick your tongue out and you went like,
What did I do? Show in the camera. I'll show there what I did in the mirror. I mean,
yeah, stick your tongue out. Exactly. Yes. Now you're ready for your second COVID test.
shut up. I'm not doing any more COVID. I spent my Saturday afternoon relaxing and making the most of the weekend. In the evening, I actually went ahead and joined a Zoom call for one of our really close friends' daughter's first birthday. And while we didn't get to have cake with them in person, I ate a little bit of dessert on my own, if you know what I mean. I love donuts, guys. So this was such a weekend treat for me. Okay, so Jerry and I are on our way to a brunch, and I'm gonna show you what Jerry makes me do every single time we're leaving the house. I'm vlogging with my phone today. Well, yes, he always asks me to make him wear the wedding ring. Ye to rose ka hai, but what is this new thing you've gotten into? What do you say? No.
Spray me some anam.
Spray me some anam. That's because I spray this every day, like when I'm in the house. And now he started liking the fragrance so much that he wants me to spray it on him.
Where are we off to?
Brunch at St. Regis. 7 Kitchens. I love their food.
Oh, we go to 7 kitchens. Oh, where's the 8th one? So coming back to important questions. Why is it called 7 kitchens?
पूछेंगे अभी जाएंगे ना lunch में.
Does it stand for 7 days of the week? So every day one new kitchen?
Yes.
Interesting. Smart there. So you excited for brunch?
Hungry. I'm a hungry hippo.
You're a hungry hippo.
You know that cartoon?
I know you.
Jerry and I had such a great time at the St. Regis buffet at 7 Kitchens. We absolutely loved the food and everything we had was so delicious. Okay, I had no idea there would be a day where walking into Zara would feel like a luxury. This is my first retail store visit since the lockdown started. This feels surreal. Back in my pajamas, gonna sit and do some work on my laptop, and then I want to do some skincare because your girl has a really hectic week full of shoots ahead, and I want to make sure my skin is prepped and taken care of. But वो थोड़ी देर बाद करेंगे. For now, I have to sit and get to some work. I've spent my evening catching up on emails, catching up with news. I had a few callbacks to do for like missed calls and stuff that I had from friends. I always make it a point to do that.
Your COVID test is here.
My COVID report is here.
Yeah, COVID report is here.
Please tell me I'm COVID negative.
बहुत negative type के होते हैं.
Oh, tell me na.
Yes, you're negative.
And you also na, obviously.
Yep. Not detected.
Shukr
Negative.
alhamdulillah. Listen, I knew I didn't have COVID, but just taking the test made me so nervous, and I have to do one more apparently in 2 days just before the shoot. You know what?
And one post the shoot.
And one post the shoot. Okay. I'm vlogging on my phone, by the way, in case you didn't see this. I'm gonna go ahead and take my makeup off and get to some quick skincare, and I'll share with you what I'm doing as well. For my skincare on this Sunday evening, I opted for the Dermafique Biocellulose mask. Now, these masks actually are really, really good for your skin as well as the environment. They're made of coconut fiber and feel so good on the skin. I cannot stress enough how good these felt on the skin, because typically your masks are really thin and like not paper-like, but they feel rather flimsy on the skin very easily. This one felt so good and firm to wear, and I kept it on for about 20 minutes. You can leave it on for about 30 minutes as well if you wanted to completely dry out while it's on your face. But once I took it off, I could like feel my skin feeling smoother and softer. I'm gonna go ahead and link this product in for you guys in the info box. You guys know I like a whole lot of Dermafique products, and this one is no different. And with that, we come to the end of today's video. The Wear Fam comment shout out for this vlog goes to those of you who have been telling me you missed me. There's a lot of you. I'm gonna try and pop up whatever screenshots I find over here. The idea of me taking that break was just to kind of get a breather. You will regularly see my video uploads over here on my channel. About twice a week is what I'm aiming for. Very soon you will also see a lot of content on my Hindi channel. So if you haven't subscribed as yet, please subscribe, because we have some fun stuff lined up for that for 2021. Don't forget to turn those bell notifications on. Mwah. I love you guys. Bye.